Hello everyone, it's Justine and welcome to my video today. I'm really excited to be announcing the names of all the winners of all 120 plus prizes that were given away for the Save the YouTuber video hop. So I wanted to thank each and every one of you who had the chance to even watch a few videos or all of them, all of you who managed to leave comments on some or all of the videos, liked. Many of you have written me and told me you found some really inspiring artists that you had never heard of before, and that's the reason why we had put all of this together. I want to thank every single person who put together the video for the hop and wanted to participate with us. Thank you so much for all your hard work, putting up with my emails, as well as being so organized for the hop in general. Now, I'm so happy to report that so many of our YouTubers have surpassed the limitations of the new monetization rules or are very much on their way there, thanks to all of your support and help. Some people have hit major milestones like hitting 1,000 subscribers or even 10,000 subscribers. Some people hit the 4,000 hours required for the monetization, and some people doubled their regular view time. And that's all thanks to you and your help and watching all of these videos. So I can't thank you enough for supporting us here at the Save the YouTuber video hop. So without any further delay, I'm going to announce all of the winners. I've prepared screenshots so I don't butcher everyone's name, as well as some slides there so you can pause it and see if your name is on there. Now, I've gone ahead and I've actually replied to your comment directly on YouTube, so you know if you're the winner or not, in case some of you have the same name. And I've put some instructions on what to do. So I have an email address below in the video description. If you're one of the winners, please contact me. And if there's any issues, problems, or you notice I miss a prize or anything like that, feel free to email me if for any concerns or questions. It's just a lot easier for me to pick all of the winners rather than having 55 people picking winners and trying to coordinate all of those emails. So everything's going to go through me, and I'll be passing your information along to all the respective companies. Thank you so much, everyone, and let me just give a quick thanks to all of our sponsors. Okay, so our sponsors amazingly donated so generously and were just so amazing. Thank you so much for supporting all of us. I hope you also found some maybe potential design team members, potential guest designers, checking out the video hops yourselves. So a big, massive thank you to Simon Says Stamp, who so generously donated $25 gift certificate for every stop on the hop. That is so amazing. So if anyone out there needs any crafty supplies, you know Simon Says Stamp is your one-stop shop for most brands that are available. Also, a big massive thank you to Catherine Pooler Designs, who sponsored 2 ink pads for every single video. So 110 ink pads are going to be going out of their shop, which is incredible. This was the only prize that was limited only to the US. The rest of them are available internationally. Thank you again to Pretty Pink Posh for donating 6 $25 gift certificates. Brutus Monroe, who donated 4 $25 gift certificates. To Justine Hovey, myself, who donated a Creativation pack of things that have not come out yet. Heffy Doodle donated a stamp and die set. Fun Stampers Journey, Alex Gomez sponsored 2 gift certificates. A big thank you to Dana, who's a friend of mine from Stamp Junkies, for donating $25 to Simply Charming Bags. We have a stamp and stencil from Imagine Design Create, and Carrie Ann created a video as well for this video hop to be a part of it. A big thank you as well to Visible Image, who donated 3 $20 gift certificates. Blank Page Muse for donating a gift certificate. Larissa, who also participated in the video hop, donated a Newton's Nook gift certificate. Karen Burniston, who makes the most fabulous pop-up dies, also donated one of her die sets. Swedish House Stamps, who has been helping me figure out some of the organization for this hop, a big thank you to you, has donated 2 20-pound gift certificates. And that is, I believe, all of them. I really feel bad if I missed any of them. However, I believe that was everything. So I will be giving out all of those prizes, and some of the hoppers along the way have some personal prizes that they'll be giving away as well, so you should be hearing about those soon. Thanks so much again. Here are all of your winners.